Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate edX certificates and verify them on LinkedIn step by step clearly. To activate your edX certificate, first, log in to your edX account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the course for which you want to activate the certificate. Click on the course title to enter the course page. On the course page, look for the Certificates tab. Click on the Certificates tab to view your available certificates. If your course has been completed, you will see an option to download or view your certificate. Click the Download button to save the certificate to your device. Next, to verify your certificate on LinkedIn, log in to your LinkedIn account. In LinkedIn, go to your profile page. Click on the Add Profile section button. Select Add License and Certifications. In the certification form, enter your certificate name. Input edX as the issuing organization. Provide the issuance date from your certificate. If applicable, you can check the box to indicate that the certification does not expire. Now, paste the URL link of your edX certificate. This link can be found by accessing your downloaded certificate file. Once all details are filled in, click Save. Your edX certificate is now successfully linked and verified on your LinkedIn profile. You can share your accomplishments with your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.